We are continuing our travel across Greece, the land of myth and antiquity. For today's video, I decided to go back in time to the era of Odysseus and Hercules, when Olympian gods mingled with the mortals under the shades of olive trees. Most are probably familiar with the culture and myth of ancient Greece. However, where did this myth originate? What was the genesis of Hellenic culture? Was it Athens or Sparta or perhaps Delphi? Well, actually, I would argue that it would be Mycenae, the site of one of the earliest civilizations on the Peloponnese. Mycenae remnants are located about hour and a half away from Athens, close to Argos and Nafplio. According to tradition, Mycenae was built by the Greek hero Perseus, the slayer of the Medusa of Gorgon. Its large, imposing walls were thought to guard against the Cyclops. The most famous Greek hero, Hercules, also hails his ancestry from Mycenae, for his maternal grandfather, Electrian, was once Mycenae's king. History of the city is marked by bloodshed, cruelty, and incest among its rulers, the descendants of Perseus. In the grotesque culmination, Atreus, ruler of Mycenae, became enraged after he learned of an affair between his wife and his brother Thyestes. Atreus then murdered Thyestes' sons and served them as a meal to Thyestes. Mycenae will also sound familiar to the admirers of Homer's Iliad. It was King Agamemnon, son of Atreus, and the ruler of Mycenae, who assembled the Greeks and led them to besiege Troy. According to Homerian epic, Agamemnon sought to avenge his brother Menelaus's honor after Helen, Menelaus's wife and Agamemnon's sister-in-law, ran off to Troy with Prince Paris. Following the end of Trojan War, Agamemnon returned to Mycenae, just to be slain either by his own wife Clytemnestra or by her lover Aegisth, who also happened to be incestuous son of Thyestes. Let's step inside Agamemnon's tomb. Ancient bards and historians described Mycenae as a city of gold. The Lion Gate was the main entrance into the Acropolis. Inside the walls stood lavish palace, where the bloody affairs of Mycenae's ruling dynasty have taken place. A renowned German archaeologist, Heinrich Schliemann, who in the early 1870s discovered ruins of famed Troy, believed that Agamemnon was buried inside the Mycenae's walls. In April 1876, Schliemann began extensive excavation work inside Mycenae's Acropolis, near the Lion's Gate. Schliemann uncovered numerous tombs and burial chambers, unearthing jewelry and gold pieces, finding pottery, golden idols, and decorative weapons, which gave credence to the stories of blind Hellenic bards, who described Mycenae's might and influence. The most prized discovery was the golden funeral mask, believed to be that of Agamemnon himself. The site of Mycenae is also renowned for the location of numerous beehive tombs. We already looked at the one dubbed as Tomb of Agamemnon. Here is a tomb of his wife and murderer Clytemnestra. Dromos, the large corridor, led to the tomb's entrance. Inside, these burial chambers were lavishly decorated with patterned designs, gold and marble. By the year 1200 BC, Mycenae began to decline. Legends attributed to the curse put upon the city and its inhabitants by the grief-stricken Thyestes. In the year 468 BC, Mycenae was attacked and destroyed by the neighboring Argos. Obviously, all of the family drama described in this video was a part of a large tapestry of ancient Greek myth. Hope you enjoyed this little excursion to Mycenae, and see you soon in the next video.